Okay guys, this is the Culminating Project. It's under your content, click it, and it's going to bring you to this. So what you're going to be doing is creating a Biology for Dummies kind of book. So click into the activity and I'll go over it. It's just loading. Okay, so the purpose of the activity is to express your knowledge of the course content learned this semester. For this project, you'll be creating an SBI 3U for Dummies book that encompasses the overall expectations for each of the 5 main topics we learned this semester. You should use your notes, textbook, and all tests to establish appropriate content. Sections should cover all aspects learned in the course and any additional information that you deem relevant. If you get any additional information from a different source, please be sure to reference it at the end of your project. You should add any pictures and diagrams that will aid in the explanation of your topics. The overall goal of this book is so that anyone can pick it up and learn what was taught in this course. All projects need to be submitted on Brightspace no later than 3:10 on Thursday, January 26, 2021. Attached to this is the rubric, which will be graded. Please remember the assignment is worth 5% of your final mark. If the exams are canceled, I will use this instead. Below is a list of overall expectations taken from the Ontario Science Curriculum document. The whole document can be found here. So here's each of the units that we went through. So diversity of living things is taxonomy, genetic processes, evolution, animal structure and function, that is our anatomy unit. Plant structure and functions, we haven't got to this yet. When we return, we'll be doing an assignment for this portion. Now it's important to point out, I am not interested in reading my own slides. I had a student just copy and paste every one of my PowerPoints into a document and try and pass it off as their own. Please don't do that. It's a lot of work. Not only that, I had to get administration involved because now that's plagiarism. Now, when I say that, what I want you to do, okay, is for each one of these sections is to compile your notes into what you found the most helpful to explain that section. Yes, some of my wording's probably going to be in it, but I'm looking for how you are creating your book. Okay, so I'm not looking for a copy and paste. Some of you have been using your study notes and creating your study notes. So you're like making sentences shorter, doing your own explanations. That's what I'm looking for, is what you're putting on your study notes. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you use any sort of information you found in the textbook that you found helpful, or maybe online, you have to reference that at the end. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the rubric. Okay, so here's the rubric. You can take a look through it. I'm going to go over what a level 4 is. So this section, I can't say this word, compilation. So this is going to be your thinking. This is about 25% of this mark. So you get 25 marks. Sections cover all of the curriculum and overall expectations from all 5 topics. And then it goes down from there. Okay. For application, sections are in proper and logical order, which allow for the reader to easily follow the flow of the topic and understand the required information. What I would do is I would probably kind of put them in order of how I taught you. Okay, so start with our first unit and then end with our last unit. The next part, content, is at a high level of knowledge and understanding. It goes beyond the textbook and notes provided. And then level 3 would be something at moderate level. Mechanics for communication, no spelling or grammatical errors at all, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, etc. Quality of work, okay, is application, great care in the construction process. The use of graphics and diagrams greatly enhance the project. All aspects of the project are done with care and precision. And then it kind of goes down from there. So level 3 would be 1 to 2 details that have been refined, or maybe there was 1 to 2 things that you kind of missed, and then so on. So what I'm looking for is you to compile the course into something that someone could just pick up and know exactly what's going on. Okay, so you want detailed sections, just not a copy and paste. okay, of my PowerPoints. You put things in your own notes. The purpose of this is to help prepare you for your exam, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'd be happy to help you. Tomorrow we're going to be meeting at 9:30, and you can ask any questions then as well, okay? All right, have a good one, guys. We'll see you later.